Well, we're back here this morning, barndominium pond project. This morning, what we're gonna do, we're pretty much done with everything for the most part. We just have to move a couple stumps and kind of dress this up a little bit, and then all the final grade and everything like that, and all that's gonna be done later on once the building's sitting here and everything's done. But the first order of business this morning, I actually got to come and fix my trailer. Yesterday we were hauling, and I had two of these lugs break off, and then this one is just completely loose, and they're just all loose. I can move this one, so I don't know what the deal is. So this morning I'm probably gonna use the excavator, jack this trailer up, start taking a look at this tire and see exactly what we were dealing with. We'll get working on that. It's always something. Well, filling the dozer with fuel right now. While we get that fueled up, take a walk over here and check out the pond for a second. It's getting some water in it. I would say that one deepest hole right over here has like 10-ish, 11-ish feet in it right now. You can see it's like a really bluish water where we hit that water vein. And then over here, this is just runoff water, and it's more like a darker brown. You can see the color differences. This one's more of a blue and this one's more of a brown. But anyways, it's filling in really nicely. We got the berm over there. That's where we threw all the clay. And we're gonna take the dozer up and kind of fix up this end a little bit and get that dressed up more, and then throw some topsoil on this very end. And he's gonna end up like planting some trees up there or something like that. But once we get the dozer fueled up, we're gonna take this and kind of push this farther up towards the building site and kind of cut it down from the corner of the building site so it's just a tad lower, and get this slope so everything from the yard runoff runs in towards this end of the pond. And the drain field and septic's going to be going over here, so I'm going to try to get that laid out and get that done, so that way Wednesday looks like a day with no rain, when we can potentially get the tank set and kind of start on that. So I'm going to get this kind of graded out and then try to get everything laid out. We have a few requirements. We got to obviously follow the permit that he got, so we have some regulations and guidelines we got to follow to set that up. We'll do that, and then we'll go from there. But we're going to start once the dozer's fueled up and grade this out and go from there. All right, we just kind of got this side yard all graded out and kind of tapered, and everything's kind of flowing down towards this corner of the pond right here. The drain field and septic's going to go over here out this northeast corner of the building. So we're gonna go over there and kind of lay that out and get that started, and then it looks like it could rain. I'm really hoping it doesn't. It's starting to get kind of dark, but I guess time will tell. We'll see what'll happen here in a little bit. Well, just got everything kind of laid out with the tank in the field. Right here, this pink flag's a building corner. Line's gonna come out, tank's here, and then the field's right there. But we're looking at taking out these 5 pine trees now because they're right on the edge of the field, and I don't like it because the roots. So I'm just waiting to hear back, and we'll decide if we're gonna remove those pine trees or not. Well, it decided to unleash some rain on us, so we decided to run up here to the store. We're gonna grab a quick drink and let this kind of pass over. It's not supposed to last real long. This is exactly why I did not want to dig that hole today. Well, after talking with the customer, we're gonna end up coming in here and taking out these 5 pine trees. We got this one right here, this one, this one, this one, this one, and that one. So we're gonna take those out, jump in the excavator here, and get this ready. It's kind of raining right now, but it's not enough to where we can't work, so we'll just kind of watch. I can see really blue skies, so I think we'll be all right, but it was just pouring a second ago. We're gonna cat over here and take these last few trees down that we decided we needed to take down for the drain field. Try not to destroy my piece of concrete right there. Try not to destroy my flags that much that I got laid out. But I should just be able to kind of tip these trees right over. Grab them and pull them out of here without really disturbing too much. Hey, where's my other flag at? Yep, I'm good. I got that flag to stay in the ground. Well, we got those 5 trees cleared out. We're kind of sitting right exactly where they were. And right here's the drain field. You can see, or it's going to be flag right here. And then right up there is going to be the tank, and it'll come out into the field right here and disperse out. But